this one. Basically, I will start with the components of the panel. We have the LCD screen. This is the LCD screen for the fire alarm panel, and this is the CPU. This we can remove. All the components we can remove, and the back side this is called the rail. Rail. In the rail we are fixing the modules.
Okay.
So this is the CPU. You can see here the lights. If the lights are blinking, it means the communication have, the network have. You can see here the lights. The lights are blinking. It means the network have. It is communicating with the main fire alarm panel.
Okay.
And here also, this component is known as primary power supply. We have the main power supply back side. This power supply will convert the AC to DC to this way. This one boosts up the power to give the CPU and the other parts. This is the one who supplies the power for this one and this part. This is the SDDC. This is the loop card which having loop 1 and loop 2. In this project we have, for example, the Musalmani Majlis and some other building. We have only one loop. In that one, some building we put the one loop as pair, and the some building we use only the one card. I mean, in the back side we can remove this one. There is no issue.
So in this one you have only used the loop 1 only, right?
This is the loop card.
Okay.
Here, this one is the loop 1 doctor card. This is named doctor card. We can remove this one.
Okay.
If for example, if this gets faulty, you can buy this one only and you can fix this one.
Okay.
This is the doctor card for the loop 1 and this is called doctor card the loop 2.
Okay.
The sum area, I think as far as the installation, we have only, for some loop 1, only one loop we have. So the doctor card 2 no need actually.
That card is soldered or directly?
No, this is just only the screw. We just only the pusher.
Oh, okay.
And this is the screw. This is the loop card, and for example, the sometime when we install the, see, this is the communication indicator.
Okay.
If this both light are blinking, it means it is communicating with the CPU. It's perfect. And for example, this is the light should be. I put this one. Sometimes if the cable have short or something like this light will not blink. It will not be steady if we have the short on the cable.
Oh, okay.
So once you finish the project, you should be sure there is no short. If the light LED is not steady, it means you have the short on the.
Means that there is some fault.
There is short because the positive and negative is touching somewhere on your installation.
Okay.
So the LED.
So every time the light should be stable.
Stable. Yes.
Okay.
If the short is you didn't care about the LED, and if this short exists for a long time, the card itself will damage. Okay, so that is the main thing you have to take care. This is the port we are using for the programming to connect our cables.
Okay.
And for example, we have one strip we are getting for the switch. In the main fire alarm panel we have, for example, the acknowledgement for pressing another. Like this switch we can connect here. This one accessories. If we need, we can connect. That's only. This all are the vacant spaces, so we put the blank alarm and we cover this one. This is the basic. This is a small panel. The cap. This model, this size of the panel is called the cap 7.
Cap 7.
Yeah. In another, for example, the Majlis we fixed cap 5. That is little bit small.
Smaller.
In the main fire alarm panel CC room, we have cap 14.
Cap 14.
Please, Mr. Fayez, first he go direct and he explain the panel and the loop and everything. So please, but I need to ask you and ask Mr. You need first introduction about fire alarm system in general in Suqwa or what? And already your people, they know already the fire, the detector, they know what the detector. I think this is no need. I think all the people, they need to focus to the panel. I think this is first something more important for the all. Anyone have any problem? It's okay for all.
For a part, we just know the sequence.
We make the sequence.
I'm coming to this. In the phase 3, we have the 9 main panel. Okay, I will tell the panel.
So we are coming in phase 3.
Yeah, we are coming to the phase 3 because the phase 1, phase 2 as far as
All of existing.
So the phase 3, we have the 9 main panel: fire alarm, control panel, and 1, 2, 3, 4 smoke control panel, and 1 voice evacuation panel, and 1 mimic panel. That is in the phase 3, total project phase 3. Okay, so the phase 3, the building please explain to them.
The buildings. Okay, we have طبعا this one to be known. So in the total all phase 3 we have all the panels we have underground piping and connection with all panels. We have first panel البدع المانع. المانع it's the panel inside the المانع is for المانع and for also the old house. We have المستماني one panel apartment the horse stable MVR9 Falcon Hospital. We have fire alarm the panel but not Edward. We have notifier there.
The Falcon Hospital is also coming in phase 3.
Falcon Hospital, yes, phase 3. And we have also Falcon Market, all the shops, that one already with HUD, and we have Rayan Magazine, and we have Zone 14, Rayan Building.
Okay.
This all
Now-
building have one panel, one panel, one panel. Yes,
So,
tell me.
no, what is my doubt is, if there is any problem in the Falcon Hospital,
Yes.
so we will get a supervisory or alarm.
As now, for this one, and yesterday I told you I cannot answer that. That one, the one who will answer us, Mr. Fayyaz.
If there is any trouble in suppose in any other building or for this phase 3 or
He
something,
will get here in
so we will get the supervisory or the alarm
In
will
which
get.
building you are talking about?
Any
So,
building.
so for example, Falcon
Phase 3, any building.
Any
building.
Apartment.
Yeah, no, for this, here it will give the troubles only on this building.
Only the trouble,
Only
no
this-
alarm, huh?
No alarm.
Ah, okay.
But alarm, I will come to the alarm.
Yeah.
The trouble, it will not give, it will give to the main panel.
Okay.
Okay, all the trouble of the project or supervisory of the project, it will give to the main panel. But this project, this panel only we give, will get this panel trouble and the supervisory.
Okay.
Okay, now I will come to the panel wise. Panel number 35 and 36, that one is Albida channel. And the one Majlis backside. What is the name of that one?
Medicine man.
Okay.
But
The-
please, you can finish only here apartment D. That after I finish apartment D, will complete with Mr.
Okay.
With the other.
Okay,
Just finish
okay,
the-
the apartment D, we have as a separate building now. Separate building.
Yes, engineer.
But
Yeah,
it will affect, I will tell you the
Yes, sir.
sequence of the operation in the super case. For example, consider we have an alarm in the nearest store. Okay? Okay. If I have an alarm on the nearest zone, all the horn strobe on the nearest zone will activate on the first minute. After the first minute, horn strobe will stop and that evacuation will start on that building. Okay? Again, after the next minute, all the souk, horn strobe will activate.
يعني 2 minutes.
Including the apartment D.
Okay, that means the delay for the soak is only 120 seconds.
120 seconds, yes.
Okay.
Okay, after again 1 minute, all the project, the horn strobe will close and the evacuation will start.
Okay, but as per the standard, after 180 seconds, does this panel give command to direct civil defense?
That one,
No, it is not connected.
It is not
Direct
connected.
civil defense. We don't have this cam system here.
Okay. Or otherwise, means after 180 seconds, maybe sometimes if we are in any other property.
Maybe the cam system only in Albida Hotel.
Yeah.
Only in Albida Hotel. In the soup office, we don't
The
have
cam
cam system.
system, they will install the support after finish phase 3. The proposal.
if you have an alarm here, they can monitor. The
But
main CC room will be-
I think after 4-5 months, they will start the new project then for the cam system.
They can only operate only, monitor only, they can operate. Siren and reserve.
all the priority to the fire commander. He can override anything. Okay, he
But
can.
we can reset.
You can reset
Yeah,
also. Oh, reset, yes. But he can override anything, any command he can override.
Okay.
Yes, that he is the first priority. That's only. That's only the sequence of the apartment.
Okay. This is the sequence. Anyone here have any question about the vanilla?